Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And yes, today's video is like a bonus video for you people. The other day I was swatching these newly launched lipsticks from one of the Indian brands, and the moment I swatched this particular shade, I was reminded so much of Priyanka Chopra's Golden Globe Awards makeup look. She looks stunning. Her pictures were all over the social media and I saw her pictures over Instagram. She looked beautiful with dewy fresh skin and dark lip. So that is what I'm going to recreate for you guys using very affordable drugstore makeup which is readily available. And it's a very beginner friendly kind of makeup because it doesn't involve too many techniques into it. And just a little disclaimer, I am not a professional makeup artist, so this is my take on the makeup that Priyanka Chopra wore. And another thing I would like to mention here, the products that I use in my videos are bought with my own hard-earned money. They are not sponsored whatsoever, and the views that I project are completely my own. So without further rambling, let's straight get into the tutorial. So we are going to start off with a clean and moisturized face. I have already prepped my skin with a moisturizer first, followed up with the Kama Ayurveda rose water. I gave my face a general spritz of it and then followed it up with my trusted Color Bar primer. Now I'm just quickly going to get my hair off my face so that we can start with the makeup. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing my eyes first, as the eyeshadows that I'm going to be using later tend to have a little bit of fallout, so I don't want any fallout messing up with my base. So I'm going to do my foundation later. So let's get started with the eyes. To just prime up the eyes, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium, that's 25. And I'm going to be just randomly using any mirror which was available at hand. So I'm just going to like dab some concealer and then just blend it using my hand. I'm going to do this all over my eyelid so that my eyelid is nice and primed for the eyeshadows which we are going to put on later. Now that our eyes are primed with the concealer, I'm going to set this concealer with a powder. The powder that I'm going to use is again by Maybelline. It's the Fit Me powder in shade 220. And here I'm taking a Real Techniques setting brush and just setting everything into place. Now that the primer is set with the powder, we are ready to start off with the eye makeup, which is super simple. And as I told you already that it's using only drugstore products, so just let's dive right into it. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow crayon by Color Bar. This is in the shade Ornament, which is 005. What I'm going to do is I'm going to generously apply this all over the lid. I'm just taking it slightly above the crease. And I'm going to blend it with my finger.
This crayon tends to set very quickly, so you got to work with it before it sets.
I'm just going to intensify that eyeshadow a little bit more. Now that I'm happy with how this eyeshadow stick is looking on my eye, I'm going to dive into the second color, which is again from a very affordable brand. It's from Maybelline and it's called the Rock Nudes. I'm going to be taking this brownie color and I'm going to be using the same brush which has come with the palette. So I'm going to just take the flat end of the brush and just dip it into that brownie kind of a shade. and I'm going to darken up the edges of my eye. Priyanka Chopra had a very defined kind of a crease, so I'm going to take it all the way into my crease. And I'm going to be blending it with a blender brush so that there are no harsh edges whatsoever. As you can see, putting a darker shadow onto the edge of the eye and taking it into the crease has really defined the eye really well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just line my lower lid also with the same color bar pencil that I showed you earlier, this one. And once again, I'm just taking that same dark brown shadow on this brush, tapping off the excess and just putting it into the edge of my eye, the lower waterline, just very slightly. Now for the highlight of the brow bone, I'm going to just go with this champagne kind of a color here. Again, taking the same brush, now taking the sponge tip side of the brush, I'm going to just dip into this shade here and just highlight the brow bone area. Also, just bringing that highlight shade right into the inner corner of my eye. Priyanka Chopra had very neutral eye going on, so we are going to try and replicate the same. But there was a beautiful sheen and glow to her makeup. So now that our inner corner highlight is done, as I see in the picture, Priyanka Chopra is not wearing any eyeliner whatsoever. So I'm just going to tight line my eyes using my trusted Plum Kajal. I'm just going to tightline the upper waterline as she had her lower waterline pretty bare.
Putting a generous amount of that kajal on my upper waterline, it not only defines your eyes but also makes your eyelashes look way thicker.
Now that I'm happy with how this eye is looking, I'm just quickly going to finish up the brow. Again, for the brow, I'm using the same Maybelline Nudes palette and digging into the same deep brown shade that I had used for the outer corners of my eye. So with the same brush, tapping off the excess always.
So going over my brows with this eyeshadow, this shade is a little darker than what I usually pick up for my eyebrows. But Priyanka Chopra has really strong brows and I'm trying to imitate her makeup here. So I thought it was a good idea to go in a shade darker. Strong brows always frame the face very nicely. It makes it look much more structured. So yes, going and filling in my eyebrows.
Now that the brow is done, I am just quickly going to finish up with the mascara, and before I put on the mascara, I would be curling my lashes. Here I am using an Oriflame eyelash curler which I had picked up from one of the Oriflame agents.
The birds outside my filming area decided to be extra chirpy today, and you would be hearing them in the video, so sorry for that.
Now that I've curled my lashes, going in with this Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline, and I must say guys, I'm very pleasantly surprised with this mascara. This is one of the most amazing drugstore mascaras that I've ever used. I used to use the Bourjois mascara earlier. The one that used to come in the pink bottle. I don't remember the name though. And then I just switched to the Benefit mascara, the real one, and that was pretty amazing. After that, I just happened to try the Lancome Grandiose and I fell in love with it, and somehow never got back to the drugstore. But the other day while I was at the lifestyle store, I just came across this mascara, and I had seen a lot of YouTubers raving about it, so I picked it up myself, and I must say I'm like pretty happy. Can you actually make out the difference that it has made to my lashes? Which is not even funny. It's really good. It's high quality, which is being given to you at drugstore price. It gives you that length, that volume, everything that you desire for your lashes. I'm also going to generously coat my lower lashes with the same mascara. So with that, one eye is complete. I am quickly going to do up my other eye off camera, and I'll just be back with you. Now that I've completed both the eyes, we are going to move on to the base, for which I will be taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand. And then I will be mixing this up with the Revlon Photo Ready Skin Lights. It's a face illuminator. It's a liquid face illuminator. I'm just going to mix it together. As Priyanka Chopra had a very dewy, very glossy kind of a skin, so this will help us to achieve the similar kind of a finish. I'm just going to mix it up. Then using the Expert Face Brush by Real Techniques, I'm just going to start applying this on my face. Now that our base is done, you can see how luminous and dewy the skin is looking. I'm just going to quickly conceal my under eyes and these few blemishes that I have on my face. I'm taking the same Maybelline concealer, the one in the shade medium. This is the Fit Me concealer, shade 25. Now I'm going to drag it a little down because Priyanka Chopra had a lot of light going on in the center of her face. So we are going to try and replicate that. I'm going to use this concealer for highlighting as well. So just dragging down in the center of my face and moving it outwards. I'm going to put it at the usual spots. The center of the forehead, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, chin, and all the spots that need to be concealed. I'm going to blend in this concealer using the Real Techniques brush. Now that the concealer is done, I'm going to set this concealer with the Fit Me powder again, so that there is no creasing whatsoever. I am not going to powder my entire face as I want to keep the skin dewy and glowy. So I'm going to skip the powder. I'm just going to put the powder on the T-zone area, which tends to get oily, and all the areas that we have concealed so far. So now going in for, like Priyanka Chopra had really chiseled kind of cheekbones, a very bronzy kind of look. So going in with the bronzer now. I'm going to be using this V-Face Blush Contour by Maybelline again. This is one of the very affordable products available in the market. This does come with a brush of its own, which I haven't even unpacked because I don't want to use it. It's like this, you have a contour shade, you have a blush shade, and you have a highlighter shade. So I'm going to dip into the contour shade using the same setting brush by Real Techniques. And I'm going to contour my face. So as always, just looking down a little bit so that I can see the hollows of my face really clearly. Applying the bronzer to the hollows of my cheeks, taking it up till the temples, sharpening up the jawline with the contour shade, and taking it till the hairline. Now that we are done contouring our face, I'm going to bring back to life in this video grandma's method of putting the blush. I'm going to be using the lipstick that I'm going to be using on my lips as the blusher itself. So I'm just going to dab the lipstick on the apple of my cheek and then just blend it out. So just smiling so that you can feel the apple of the cheek. just dabbing the lipstick. And I'm going to use the same Real Techniques Expert Face Brush to blend out this lipstick. And as you can see, this works as a beautiful blush. This is a really good way to put the whole look together. There are a lot of times that you have a certain lipstick and you wouldn't have a complementing shade of blusher with it, so this is a really good way to just bind the whole look together. And as you can see, the blusher looks amazing. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of my cheek. Just dab dab dab, smile, and just dab that lipstick and just blend it out. As you can see, it is giving a beautiful look to the skin, and the lipstick has just melted in because we use the same brush with which we use the foundation. It just eases out the whole blending process. So now we are going to quickly highlight our face. I'm going to be using the same face illuminator by Revlon, and I'm going to tap it on the highest parts of my face. That's the cheekbones. I would like to dab it a little bit here over the arch of the eyebrow. Don't worry, I'm not blending it right now. I'll blend it with the brush later. Doing the same thing to the other side of the face. Cheekbones. I'm going to take the same brush, the Real Techniques buffer brush, which I use for the concealer, to blend in the highlight. Now that the highlight is blended, you can see how luminous this makes your skin look. And this is how Priyanka Chopra had worn her makeup. Her skin looked very natural, very youthful, but very dewy and very luminous. Coming to the star product of the makeup today, that is the lipstick. This is the lipstick in 13M. This is the Nykaa Fall Matte collection in the shade Mulled Wine. And Priyanka Chopra had this really beautiful burgundy wine kind of a lip going on the Golden Globes. So going ahead with the lipstick. With that, we finish off this Priyanka Chopra inspired makeup look. It's all about this fresh dewy skin with this really bold lip. If you guys did like my recreation of her look, then do give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more updates, and do not forget to share it with your friends. If you recreate this makeup look, do tag me on Instagram. My handle is The Beautiful Diary, which is the same as my YouTube channel. So until my next video, bye bye.